photo. Let me just show you. This is you, and I think Megan is in this photo also. And what's happening? Where are you going? Why?
Yeah, this is a prime example of, well, I survived this one, but this is our first date. And yeah, that's her climbing down off of a dangerous 3-story balcony in heels.
Why were you doing that?
I saw this roof and I was like, oh, I used to hang up there. Like, I just want you to come and see my world for a minute. And it was the door was locked, so we had to scaffold around like it was very dangerous.
And it was your first date?
Alive. First date.
And second date, what did you do then?
Well, she loves nature. She's like very in tune with the earth, and I'm scared of sharks, so we went swimming with sharks. And well, we had 2 of those shark experiences. The first shark experience was the day before, where like we got in the water and I was like, oh, I'm actually comfortable in the water. This is really cool. Like, just come in the water. And she got in the water and she put her goggles under and she was like, babe, there's a shark right there. And before she finished her sentence, I was already like halfway down the street. I left her in the water.
Just leaving her there.
Yeah, and then I'm not a nature boy yet. And so and then the second day we went, and then I committed and I swam with sharks. And
when you say swam with sharks, you were in one of those cages?
No.
You were free, just like out in the water with sharks?
Like, remember when you were Dory?
I do.
I was Dory, and like there was nobody else but me and her.
Wow.
And our.
Where was this? Where did y'all do this?
In Bora Bora.
Wow. Well, if you're gonna get eaten by a shark, that's the place to get eaten.
Yeah.
So much water, you're gonna need a boat, little fuck nigga. I'm surprised that you could stay afloat. East to west, we going